Welcome back to the crypto learning community. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. I've been waiting 200 and something days for this signal to print. Okay, these are big boy signals, and I don't play around when they start to print. So let's remove some of this noise for y'all and get into this. So as you can see, last time we did this, it came down 32%. Okay, and if we measure it out again, we get a level of about 87,000, 86,000. And this was 77 days it took to play out. And again, that would put us at about the 27th of October. Okay, it's just very interesting if y'all kept up with when the Bitcoin all-time high usually is, all right? And I understand we have all this bearishness and bear divs, but the way bear divs work is we could get another wake up. That's always a thing. The main thing that concerns me is the cascade of bearish divergences with money flow coming out all the way on the monthly time frame. If I was on the index, you would see the money flow coming out. But all the fractal has these bearish divergences, and look, it's even the same signal, like exactly the same, right? We had the green dot was the wick that took out the high, and look at this candle. Very similar, right? Same thing, the green dot took it out, and now here we are immediately trying to print the red dot for a local bearish divergence, but we also have a bearish divergence across these highs. So this could cascade to a larger move, and be very cautious of that. So again, I just want to show y'all that these bearish divergences are going all the way down the fractal. 3-day, daily, 8-hour, 4-hour. So now that we've determined our bias, I went ahead and pulled VPPR and fibs and some supply zones to get some setups, right? So we have a short like so and another short like so, with major target being an order flow objective of 112,000, and 107,000 is another level to really be watching. But again, I personally would like to hold this short to swing out and try to just hedge with longs. That's my game plan. Okay, we had a scalp long this morning, simple easy trade. And let's actually cover the targets below for when we start cascading down. Keep in mind that there's actually several types of market structure here, right? And a lot of these setups follow that market structure. So on the largest fractal, right, we could either catch a bounce here or any one of these levels. These are fantastic levels. So let's just say something like that, and it does come up for a higher high, or it puts in the lower high, right, the reversal pattern before we start actually breaking this low. Because this is, if we break this low, that's a huge low to be broken. But also 98,000 is a big one too, because we do have the next level market structure, I would argue, is like so. And I would argue that there's no market structure break on these highs just because of how weak it was. It's just a wick. Now lower on the fractal, yes, but that's why this is a targeted low, right? So I think we're going to do something like this, and we have the possibility to catch a bounce right here. Is a very important one, and potentially take out the high again. So again, there's all your setups. Wait for market structure breaks, wait for divs, right? And manage your risk accordingly. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, like, share. I try to be as honest and transparent. God bless. Thanks.